Hey everyone, if your emails are not syncing properly with Zoho CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix email sync issues so your inbox and CRM stay fully connected. First, make sure your email account is still connected to Zoho CRM. Go to Settings, then open the Email Configuration or Email Integration section and check the connection status. If the connection is disconnected or expired, re-authenticate your email account. Sign in again and allow Zoho CRM the required permissions to access your mailbox. Next, check your email sync settings. Make sure automatic sync is enabled and verify that the correct folders like Inbox, Sent Items, or Custom folders are selected. If emails are still not syncing, try removing the email account and adding it again. This can refresh the connection and fix temporary synchronization errors. Finally, check your internet connection and make sure Zoho services are running normally. If everything looks fine but the issue continues, contact Zoho support for further assistance. And that's it. Yeah, these steps should help you fix most Zoho CRM email sync issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.